Have you noticed how AI plant growth videos are getting millions of views across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok? Some creators have built huge audiences just by posting these simple time-lapse videos. The best part? You don't need editing skills or expensive software. Let me show you the exact AI workflow I used to create these videos in just a few minutes, for free. First, open the prompt file linked in the description. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will instantly suggest multiple plant ideas. Pick the one you like the most and send it back. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete Google Flow prompt with realistic visuals and sound effects already included. Copy the entire prompt and open Google Flow. Select the video option, choose Omni Flash as the model. Set the duration to 10 seconds, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a short time, your realistic AI plant growth video will be ready to download and post. Now let's watch the final result. That's the complete workflow. If you want more viral AI content ideas, free prompts, and hidden AI workflows, subscribe now so you never miss the next trend.